Hello, good afternoon. Today I want to talk about pyramidal energy. What is pyramidal energy? It is a specific type of energy that arises from a pyramid shape. Think of the classic pyramid of Cheops in Egypt, a four-sided base that meets at a point, a geometric form that focuses and channels energy. Pyramidal energy is closely related to kundalini, to chi, to prana, to orgone, to many natural, shape-based energies present throughout the universe, even in the vacuum. The best proportions for building a functional pyramid follow the scale of the Great Pyramid. Look up Patrick Flanagan's pyramid formula. In practice, an angle of about 51 degrees from edge to base. The exact size matters less than keeping the proportions discovered by ancestral civilizations and documented by Flanagan. Much of what we know about energetic and healing effects of pyramids comes from his work about materials, use non-magnetic substances, woodworks, but copper is exceptional. Copper is non-magnetic and mildly diamagnetic. It gently repels magnetic fields. This favors subtle, etheric generation from the zero-point field. For uses, there are many. With food, people report freshness lasts longer. Nutrients feel more available. Dense or negative charge is reduced. Simply place the food inside the pyramid, small or large. What matters is being within the field and orienting one face to magnetic north with a compass. For meditation, the structure helps you reach deeper states. It can support astral travel and lucid dreams. Ideally, a pyramid large enough to place your bed or a meditation seat inside, with a base around 2 meters or more. You can also make healing water. Place the water inside the pyramid. Let the field harmonize it for whoever drinks it. There are curious historical anecdotes. In the 1950s, an astromatic razor, pyramid sharpener made of cardboard, reportedly refreshed blades after minutes inside. Some trace the lore of pyramidal energy back to Atlantis, then Egypt, then Greece, and down to our day. Recommended reading: Patrick Flanagan's Pyramid Power. 2 volumes. One with foundations and one with practical and experimental uses. In Cuba, there are rehabilitation beds with pyramidal frames. In Russia, there's research and agricultural applications using pyramid domes to boost growth and vitality. There is also a flat pyramid geometry called the cosmic sensor, also associated with Flanagan, a planar figure that does not require magnetic orientation. It works anywhere. The pyramid's geometry generates energy within itself, not by pulling from the ground, but by creating a vortex from the ether. People report relief from migraines, analgesic-like effects, support in cases involving microbes. Many therapeutic observations. Intention matters. Give the field a job. The universe is conscious. Everything listens. From a stone to a plant, from us to the ether. Use pyramids to harmonize rooms, to uplift atmospheres, to invite positive charge and coherence. Remember, pyramid comes from the Greek pyra, fire, and middle, fire in the middle. A fitting image for the focused flame of energy within. If you want to know more, ask me anything in the comments.